you living in a small family home or in an apartment on 2 levels? Then you need to use all the available space, inclusive the wedge-shaped space under the stairs, for storage or to extend the available living area. Let us help you. We have selected here for this video amazing and one of the best creative ideas for this sometimes unused space from your home. Hi, I'm Lulu and I'm your narrator for today's video. So please watch our video and discover smart, creative and inspiring ideas of using the under-stair space, from storage space, cozy reading corners to closets and kitchenettes. We want to help you to make the most of the under-stair space. So if you are looking to renovate your home interior or are curious and just need some inspiration, these selected ideas from our video are just what you need. As usually, let's see together several ideas. I'm starting with this one, a big closet wardrobe under stairs. A great idea to use this space practically and efficiently. You can create a charming cozy reading corner in this cramped, unused living space, like in this image. What about a tiny working space or a small home office? I think this is another great idea to efficiently use this narrow living area. Smart and charming idea at the same time in this image. A chair, a bookcase and a side table can provide you a relaxation living spot which can easily be turned into a reading corner. Here in this image you can see another good example of how this small under-stair space can be used to store your collectible or for a bookcase space. Another under-stair space used as a small home office. You can create or extend your cozy dining area in this cramped space. Just look at this image and see how. And once again, back to the bookcase. It seems to be one of the most popular ideas for this spot. Here in this image you can see a lovely reading corner idea with the armchair and with the burning fireplace. Superb idea for resting and relaxing spot, furnished with a rocking chair, a wall-mounted shelf, and decorated with indoor plants and modern painting. We sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video. Please write your opinion in the comment section, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Best regards and see you soon to another new video. Bye bye.